Welcome back to Off Grid Aussies. This is part 2 in my restoration of a Stanley No4 Planer. So in the first episode I'd picked up a Stanley No4 Planer from one of our pawnbrokers in Toowoomba. I've taken it home since then. I haven't had the thought, being a new YouTuber, to video all of the work that I've been doing in the meantime. But this is the result of it. So far I've taken to all of the parts with a grinding brush wheel. I've spent a lot of time on wet and dry sandpaper getting the planer's base nice and flat, and I'm at the point now where I've etch primed the planer, ready for black enamel gloss paint. So here's the base of the planer. I'm not even sure what the part is called, but this is the main body of the planer. This is the Bailey No4, so it's been sanded back completely and etch primed in grey. You've got all of the detail there. It's probably all backwards. Haven't worked out how to do this with my phone, turning it into a reverse for you guys to see. However, this is the planer base. So it's masked up and ready for painting. The foot of the planer seems to have come up quite nicely. There's a couple of little indentations there, but the surface itself is beautiful and flat. So that should be great. Secondary part of the body, I think this is called the frog. This part has all been sanded back as well, etch primed and ready for beautiful black enamel. This was the Titan blade that I was talking about. Apparently it's a Tasmanian blade. Didn't come with the Stanley, obviously, being about 70 years old. I think the blade might have worn out by now. But this one's got a nice edge on it. I think it's 25-30 degree edge. And it's pretty sharp so far, so I haven't even started on that. I'll get to that with a wheel or a stone a little later on. So yeah, this is part 2 of my Stanley restoration. The next time I see you, I will be beginning to do the enamel painting. So stay tuned. If you'd like, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. You'll be one of the originals, I can promise you that. That all being said, I look forward to seeing you next time.